Just hold on. You're just shifting focus because Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi is speaking, and this is coming as he is visiting Chandigarh, and this is amidst all the politics that is happening 8 days after the tragic death of senior Haryana IPS officer Y. Puran Kumar. Let's listen into what Rahul Gandhi is saying there in Chandigarh.
सरकारी ऑफिसर हैं और चीफ मिनिस्टर ने इनको कमिटमेंट दिया है, पर्सनली कमिटमेंट दिया है कि वो कार्रवाई शुरू करेंगे, फ्री एंड फेयर इंक्वायरी करेंगे और एक्शन इनिशिएट करेंगे। 3 दिन पहले कहा था हरियाणा मां पर, बट स्पेशली बेटियों पर जिन्होंने अपने पापा को खोया है, उन पर बहुत प्रेशर, बहुत दबाव, डिस्टर्बेंस हो रही है। दलित कपल है, क्लियर है कि 10-15 दिन से नहीं, 6-7 मतलब सालों से सिस्टमैटिक डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है। इस अफसर को डिमोरलाइज करने के लिए, करियर डैमेज करने के लिए, रेप्यूटेशन डैमेज करने के लिए सिस्टमैटिकली दूसरे अफसर काम कर रहे थे। तो ये सिर्फ एक परिवार का मामला नहीं है, देश में करोड़ों दलित भाई बहन हैं, उनको गलत मैसेज जा रहा है। क्या मैसेज जा रहा है? कि आप कितने भी सक्सेसफुल हो, कितने भी इंटेलिजेंट हो, कितने भी कैपेबल हो, अगर आप दलित हो, आपको दबाया जा सकता है, आपको कुचला जा सकता है, आपको फेंका जा सकता है, और ये हमारे लिए एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है। तो मेरा मैसेज है एज LOP टू प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, टू चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ हरियाणा, आपने इन 2 बेटियों को जो कमिटमेंट दिया है, इसको आप पूरा कीजिए, और जो इनका फ्यूनरल है, पापा का फ्यूनरल है, उसको होने दीजिए और ये तमाशा आप बंद करिए। तो ये क्लियर मैसेज मैं प्रधानमंत्री को देना चाहता हूं, हरियाणा के चीफ मिनिस्टर को देना चाहता हूं कि एक्शन लीजिए, ऑफिसर्स पे कार्रवाई कीजिए और इस परिवार पर जो प्रेशर है उसको हटाइए।
डीजीपी को हटा दिया गया है।
देखिए एक सेंसिटिविटी है, ये एक सर्विंग ऑफिसर है, तो ये एक सर्विंग ऑफिसर है। आप समझते हो, देश समझता है कि इन पे कैसे प्रेशर्स आ सकते हैं। कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए और इमीडिएटली इन अफसरों पर एक्शन होना चाहिए। एक्शन होना चाहिए। आप अरेस्ट कीजिए, आप अरेस्ट कीजिए। फॉल्सली ये केस लगाया गया है, आप अरेस्ट कीजिए, एक्शन शुरू कीजिए। थैंक यू। नहीं, देखिए परिवार सिंपल मैसेज दे रहा है।
So Rahul Gandhi there, directing, putting a direct question to the Prime Minister, saying that, this Dalit couple is under immense pressure. The post-mortem, the autopsy of the deceased have not been conducted yet. The body of the deceased is still in the local mortuary. Shireen Elizabeth is tracking this story with me. So Shireen, we are seeing once again the narrative being pushed by the leader of opposition. He said this earlier of how scheduled caste, scheduled tribe members, the Dalits are not safe under this dispensation. He's once again using this death to forward his same political message.
Absolutely, Arunima. It's been 6 days since the suicide was committed by the former IPS officer Puran Kumar, and since then the Congress party from day one has in fact picked up this, and they have been attacking the BJP government in Haryana time and again. We have in fact seen that there were a letter that was written by the CPP, the Congress parliamentary president Sonia Gandhi, after which Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge also in fact wrote a letter to the family, sharing their condolences. And now Rahul Gandhi has reached Chandigarh along with other senior Congress leaders, and he has in fact been saying that there needs to be proper action that needs to be taken. He in fact has been saying that as far as the family members are concerned, they are not going ahead with the post-mortem or final rituals that needs to be done because they want justice. Specifically, there is this one demand that is coming in from the family is to remove the Haryana DGP, which has not been done yet, is what the complaint of the family members are. There is of course parallel investigation that is going on, but the Congress party believes that if an IPS officer is facing such a casteism within such institution, within such, at the IPS level, then what about those common man, common citizen who could be facing such adversities in BJP ruled states specifically is what the Congress party is saying. So Rahul Gandhi right now has met the family members of Puran Kumar, promised that there will be justice that will be served to them, also asking Prime Minister to take further action so that the post-mortem and the final rituals could be done.
But did Rahul Gandhi say anything about what the family members told him? Are they still insisting on no autopsy, no cremation till arrest of the DGP is done?
That's right, Arunima. Even while Rahul Gandhi was speaking to the media, he has specifically said that the last rites are not being performed, post-mortem is not being done because the family is adamant on justice, and they believe that justice could only be served if the DGP of Haryana is removed, because DGP of Haryana's name was specifically mentioned in the suicide note that was written by Puran Kumar before he committed suicide. So that is where Rahul Gandhi has been saying, there are steps that could be taken by the government that could serve as a justice to the family, and without any delay that needs to be done so that they can go ahead with the post-mortem, they can do justice. Apart from that, not just attacking the BJP government, we're also seeing, because Puran Kumar belongs to he's a Telugu and he is from Andhra Pradesh, and that is why we are also seeing that the Congress party is attacking Chandrababu Naidu, Pawan Kalyan, Jagan Mohan Reddy, that why is there complete silence on part of them as well? Because this is a Telugu IPS officer who committed suicide. He faced casteism at his service, and that is something that needs to be looked into by such leaders because he belongs to Andhra Pradesh. So there is of course war of words that is going on, and Congress is in fact attacking both the BJP as well as the TDP at this point.
Shireen, thank you so much for helping us understand the politics that is happening. The deceased family is demanding justice, arrest of the SP of Rohtak who has now been transferred, and also the DGP who have now been asked to go on leave. We'll keep an eye on that story.